Hi, kids! Today we will learn about the alphabet using fruits. A. A is for apple. Apple. B. B is for banana. Banana. C. C is for cherry. Cherry. D. D is for durian. Durian. E. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. F. F is for fig. Fig. G. G is for grapes. Grapes. H. H is for honeydew. Honeydew. I. I is for Indian mango. Indian mango. J. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit. K. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. L. L is for lemon. Lemon. M. M is for melon. Melon. N. N is for nectarine. Nectarine. O. O is for orange. Orange. P. P is for pineapple. Pineapple. Q. Q is for quince. Quince. R. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. S. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. T. T is for tangerine. Tangerine. U. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. V. V is for vanilla fruit. Vanilla fruit. W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X. X is for Zimania. Zimania. Y. Y is for Yumberry. Yumberry. Z. Z is for Zayfruit. Zayfruit.